Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag CW Collage. 2023 CW Collage. Sorry about that. And I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. Well, I'm going back to fall. I did winter last time. So, although it's really cold right now, it was 30 degrees a while ago, so I've got my long sleeves. First time I pulled out the long sleeves. Even yesterday I was still in, it was very windy and cool, but I was still in my t-shirt. All right, let's see here. I cut out a bunch of images from this autumn ephemera book that I have. Thought it would be fun to use. So let's see what we're going to do with this. Like that. Again. Just playing around, getting an idea. I'm sorry, not a whole lot going on around here. I got lost in my thoughts. Yeah, I'm just, my poor Bulldogs did terrible the other day. They were playing Georgia. And let's see, I've got, I think I want to swap this around. I don't know what I want. I thought I had it planned out, but I obviously do not. I think I like that better. Well, yeah, I like that. And this one, I added the leaves, but I think I want that there. So I think I'm just going to put leaf. So I'll go ahead and write that in. And put that there. And I can put my pumpkin right there. Oh no, I got my chair. I'll put my chair there. Well, I know I want that there, so let me go ahead and put this down. I kind of want that. So let me get that glued down together so I can tell what I'm doing. And my son spent a nice Saturday with his girlfriend's parents. They have a big farm, and it got to go around and look at everything and watch the ball game with them and ate lunch and supper with them. I think Happy's mama is a good cook. Dylan was impressed. I'm glad they're happy. The stamp. And, oh, I was going to tuck her under there. But it's supposed to get warm again later on this week. That's Mississippi for you. It'll be back up in the 70s. We'll deal with supposed to get in the high of the 40s today, and we'll be back. It's no wonder we're always sick. Way that weather changes. I love doing these collages. I like to collage. It's relaxing to me. It's one of my favorite things. I don't mind the fussy cutting. The hardest thing I really have issues with is the finding the images. Sometimes I know I have something, I just don't know where it's at, especially if it's in a book. I don't remember which book it's in. And sometimes I just forget things I have. All right, let's see how I want to. I like that. And let's see. I don't think I'm going to be able to lift that one up. Maybe a little shorter. Maybe. I really don't mind if that sticks up. If it bothers me, I'll cut it. And like that. Like that. Make it very fall-like. I don't think I'm gonna, well, I've got this, still have this one. And the pumpkin just may not, oh, I like that. Why not? We'll just fill it all up. All right. Now let me write in the rest of my words. I've got read. That's one thing I like to do when it's cold. Just cuddle up and read. I miss not having a fireplace. That's what growing up we had a fireplace and it was nice. Calm. Fall. Of course I've got my leaf. laugh, and quiet. And I'm going to finish it off with my gold letters. I think that the gold will look pretty on that paper. Okay, let me find my brush that I use. And there we go. Yep, I like that. All right, we'll call this one done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. It's all listed in my description box down below. So y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.